If you're seeing the NET Certificate Transparency Required error in Chrome, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is one of those browser issues that can look serious, but in many cases, it's caused by a local cache problem, an incorrect system clock, or an outdated version of Chrome. By the end of this video, you'll know how to clear the SSL state, remove corrupted browser data, sync your date and time, and update Chrome properly so you can get back to browsing normally. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to clear the Windows SSL state. This is important because an outdated or corrupted local SSL certificate cache can cause Chrome to misread valid security data. To do this, open the Windows Start menu, type Internet Options, and press Enter. When the Internet Properties window opens, click the Content tab. On this tab, you'll see a button that says Clear SSL State. Click that button to remove the stored SSL information from your system. Once that's done, click Apply, then OK and restart Chrome, so the change can take effect. Next, we're going to clear your local browser cache and cookies. A corrupted site cookie or an outdated browser cache can sometimes trigger false SSL errors, even when the website itself is fine. To do this in Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or Command, Shift, and Delete on Mac. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range drop-down to All Time so you remove everything that could be causing the issue. Then check the boxes for cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. After that, click the blue Delete Data button and wait for Chrome to finish clearing everything. Now let's check your system clock, because incorrect date and time settings can absolutely cause certificate errors. On Windows, right-click the clock in the taskbar, then click Adjust Date and Time. In the Settings window, turn on Set Time automatically. After that, click Sync Now to force your computer to refresh the time from Microsoft's time servers. Once the time is synced, close the settings and try the website again. This step is often overlooked, but it can make a big difference when Chrome is rejecting a certificate due to mismatched system time. Finally, let's update Google Chrome. An outdated browser can sometimes have older certificate stores or security components that lead to this error. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if one is available. Once the update is complete, click Relaunch so the browser restarts with the latest version installed. After that, revisit the website and check if the error is gone. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the NetX ERR Certificate Transparency Required issue. Start with clearing the SSL state, then clear your cache and cookies, make sure your date and time are correct, and finish by updating Chrome. That simple sequence fixes a lot of certificate-related browser problems without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.